horny. Daddy? Literally sounds like some balls slapping while you run down the stairs. Dude. R35, R36, and R30, and R30. My neighbor. I literally take off my shirt. You guys would think it'd be a Magic Mike show. I promise you, I am drenched and oiled from my titties down to my happy trail that I don't have. I think I am. I'm back! I'm not leaving! I'm not leaving! It honestly does. It feels good to be back on a bike. I haven't rode in who knows how long. Your boy took I would say a metaphorically fat break. I'm not body shaming the break. I'm just saying that it was a long break. Your boy's gonna go to some random event. And yeah, we're just gonna see. We're just gonna pop up, see what's cool, check out the cars, and yeah, your boy has been out and about, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be talking that much during this vlog, but we're about to see. It's like when you take a break from anything, you hop back on. So like when I hop back on riding a bike, it takes a long time for me to, one, be a crackhead again, because like your boy is just like, when I don't even know what I'm talking about. When I talk and I ride a lot, it happens naturally. And then when you hop back on the camera talking and then when you hop back on and talking to the camera after you take a break, it's like, oh, you get like all nervous, you get like a little stage fright, you know what I'm saying? But I just gotta picture you guys butt naked, and then I'll be fine. Or wait, is it picturing me? No, it's picturing you guys butt naked. Hey, put on some clothes, you guys are sick. But way over here we recording, and yeah, that's a newbie beaming on me. Oh my gosh, I'm horny. That was crazy. It should be good. I don't really know what to do except just vibe, you know what I'm saying? They say time heals. Don't go build a life without me, cause your mind's still. Hey. I wonder if you can see me just, I'm straight plowing this bike right now. Poor bike, man. Oh well, we're good. There's the cops! Oh, oh, there's two of them! Martini! I honestly don't even know who that was. I just read the side of his car. But let's get a free martini in the chat. In the comments below. Hey, this road is nice. This road's nice, right? Can't even see, it's all black. Alright, I'm not racist, guys. That was poor choice of what in the... Oh my god! That dude's crate was about to fly out the back. Look at this sunset. Is this considered sunset, or... I'm scratching my helmet right now. You guys can't see me, but... wonder how... Bro, you could literally... Hey, yo, a Prius got over for the first first time in my existence. What in the world? Reese's do love bikes. Ah, kiss you on your forehead. Yeah. This thing is a beast. Just look at her. I just wanna. I'll do a one stroke. Bow. I'm like better than mine. Come with me. Come get with me. Off in the floor, see. He gave me the A-OK. Unless he did this, and then I lost. Oh, I lost the game! No! If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know. If not, you are excluded from this little conversation that is called the game. I need to change my song. I need to tie my strings. I gotta change my underwear. I gotta do a lot of things. And a lot of things are find my dad. Wait, what happened to my music? Oh, there it goes. Shout out to Mans. Idiot Tesla. Shout out to Mans for driving and recording without a Tesla. And shout out to Mans for his ears. And there's a cop and I just revved. Oh, that's not a cop. That's a tow truck. Hey, he must have ran out of juice. Hey, maybe you shouldn't get a Tesla. I have a Tesla. Oh, look, there's an ocean. Oh, you can see a butt. You see two of them. That's lit. Oh, look at all that smog. You see all that? That disgusts me. Now you guys are probably thinking, did this man really just spit in my helmet? And I'm gonna say no. I have mastered the fake spit, believe it or not. Your boy is playing Call of Duty since MW2, best Call of Duty in the best Call of Duty ever made. There you go. Don't at me. Look up how long ago that was. That's when I was playing it. So I'm an OG, and I'm a master at talking smack. Don't talk smack to me. I pointed at them. They were looking at me like, what? Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. Look at it. It'd be looking like a bridge. All right, here we go. Go, go, go. Perfect execution. Are we still on this road? Oh! Oh! Dang! They got some kick. They kicking combos like Tekken. Ow! I got a cramp in my back. Hurry up, catch up! Before I mustard all over your back. I don't know if that's a six turn. Hey. Have you guys ever looked at an airplane and you're like, dude, just the way they look and like how ancient they look, it's like, bro, I would never even attempt to fly. Like that plane right there, I don't know if you can tell, literally looks like a plane from like Knott's Berry Farm. Now if you don't know what Knott's Berry Farm is, it's cool, but it's not as chill as Six Flags. Like Six Flags is like, oh dude, chill. Didn't know you were chill like that. Like that chill. Daddy? Dude, these strings keep on clacking my helmet. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Literally sounds like some balls clapping while you run down the stairs. Oh my guys, you know that feeling. Except for me, I don't know that feeling. But yeah, I have a dad. That was a nice little chill ride. Saw two cop cars. Saw Martini. Shout out to Martini again, bro. That guy and I go way back to like Nom days. And where the freak should I really even start? I got ladies that are creeping in the dark. I got my Edwards and the street limit Headphones one need a charge. Yeah, they twins. I can tell they're apart. Always pay attention. These roads do be dangerous, believe it or not. The stuff that I do, yes, it's a little crazy. It's not really crazy compared to what other people do. But like open road, I just did a pull. I know my limits. Because I see the car, I know how much space I have if I do need to go into the emergency lane. Other than that, we're cruising the whole way here. And as Rick Ross says, shout out to all the shout out to all the bear. Dang, your boy felt like a bobblehead right there. I know your boy's shooting in 4K, so it doesn't look like my head was going crazy, but literally like my neck game looked like it was on fleek. Up with a stick, I put up with a stick, I put up with a stick. Now he saw me on. That's funny. You have to, nah, that's weird. What if I hump the bike and I look at him? I'm dead. I can't. It's stretched. I wish I could. Whoa, what's that? Oh my gosh. I want to get in there. Whoa, what the? That's like the White House of California. What in the? What the? That does look like a top like secret place. But tiptoeing in my Jordans. He's behind me. Hey, boss, you can go. Sometimes you gotta like let them know what's going on. Hey, look at my shadow. I'm going. Oh. Women always get in the way. Ruining mood. No, I'm just kidding. I'm getting hot. I don't know why I ended up wearing a sweater. I should have just worn my shirt, but am I still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. What in the world? Look at that. They spelled concrete wrong. They spelled it with a K. That's a sick little decal. Oh my. Oh my. Should I go through the back? I do like going through the back. On girls, not on guys, alright? Jeez. I know you guys think I'm sus, but I'm not. Wait, where are you going? Dang! Man, that sucks that Daniel couldn't bring his LD. Oh my gosh! Look at get him! Look at the dogs! Oh my gosh, there's a whole bunch. Oh wow! Look at these R32s. Oh, hello. Oh. Dude. R35, R36, and R30 and R38. It's so hot. Tiptoeing in my. I wonder if they think that. Will they care, or should I just sneak in? Dang, they're getting a lot of looks. She do be getting a lot of looks. I'm scared. Whoa, what in the world kind of... everyone and their moms. I don't even know where to go. Oh, look at that Aston. I know what I'm gonna do. Wait, is that a... Or should I go that way? What is going on? What in the world? That's a Supra! And I'm in the middle of the showroom floor and I don't know. I don't know the owners or any. Oh my gosh, look at the little kid. Oh my heart. Oh, am I gonna bottom out? No. What's over here? Some G-Wagons? Ow, crap. What the freak is... That literally looks like a James Bond. Oh, I want that dog. I want that dog. I am stealing that dog tonight. I will find a dog car seat if there's even a such thing for this bike, and I'm taking you home. Oh my gosh, you look so... Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm scaring you. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Alright, I'm sweating. Oh, look at Dusky. You guys, I'm more excited about the dogs than I am the cars. That's funny. Okay, your boy's drenched. We're gonna park her. Should we park her, or should we let's just drive around one more lap? Might as well, right? I am like the one guy who doesn't know like crazy Carfax. Like, even if you type in the Carfax, like, I still want to know what it is. But your boy's just over here just vibing, looking at cars. Like, there's a Viper, there's a Honda. It's probably a Civic. I'm gonna keep it $2.50 with you. Dang, my neighbor. Nope. We can have flagrant up on here. Oh my gosh. Alright, your boy's going to aw, you messed up the shot, man. That was his shot. Bro, I am moist. If I literally take off my shirt, you guys would think it'd be a Magic Mike show. I promise you, I am drenched and oiled from my titties down to my happy trail that I don't have. This is how you get in. This is how you get in. We finesse. They're gonna be like, what the heck? We just saw him. I'll be like, I'm back. Who owns like this spot? Or I don't really. Jesus Christ, is Jason Bourne? Oh my gosh. RB26 34.5 turbo with a V8 engine that's supercharged half. And yeah. oh, I'm sorry, dude. I don't know what I'm doing in here. I probably shouldn't even belong in here. But until someone tells me to get out, I'll get out. But a lot of people are taking pictures. I don't like to be that guy, but it's like, if you want to take pictures of it, they can take pictures of it. And if they need me to like get out, I'll leave. I'm nice. I'll literally get out and hey yo, they be bumping. Oh my gosh. What's going on? I like the bike. Thank you. It's actually my friend's. Oh yeah? Yeah. Hey man, I'm about to get copyright claimed over here, but your boy's gonna turn off the camera, and whoever wants to come up here can come up here and take a picture of this beauty. Snuck into another event. Let's go. Help me find my dad. Alright, your boy literally just turned off and on his camera. I don't know why, but I just feel like something important is really about to happen right now. Now, I could be wrong or it could be right. My dad may appear out of the roof. I'm really like nervous because, one, shout out to PDM for letting me ride the bike, but two, this isn't my bike, so when someone gets close, it's like, don't touch it, be careful. And this is what, like, people that bring expensive cars like this have some serious guts, because so many people walk, they get super close, and then especially if they have kids and stuff, oh no. If I had an expensive car like that, nah, I would not bring it. I really want it. I got it. What's up? Huh?
I just sneaked it in.
I didn't. I just rode. No one came up to me. I'm trying to figure out like who's running this operation. I am moist, bro. Like, you know how 21 Savage said, all this drip on me, I need a mop. Period. That's me. See, look at how close. I don't know if it's their car or not, but look at how close they are. They're literally a pubic hair away from the front splitter. Oh heck, nah, I can't do it. There ain't no way. There ain't no way. I need someone to blow me so I could dry off. That was a very poor choice of words. Hotel, the slang. Don't know what that means, but slang.